Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to All Things with Tips. So I just want to give you guys a little something different today for my intro. So I'm just outside. It's a little gloomy, but it feels very nice. It's breezy. The weather's really nice. So today's video is going to be on the Ion bleaching cream, and I also use the Ion toner, and it's the platinum. I believe it's the icy platinum. I'm going to have a picture and I'll show you guys what I use. And so I just want to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe, ring the bell below. And if you're not new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure you still ring that bell. Make sure you guys also share, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I appreciate everything. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Leave your comments. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy out there. Much love from me and my family. All prayers out to everyone and their family. Hope everyone's safe again and healthy. Make sure you guys continue to stay safe and healthy. Many blessings. Enjoy the video. Okay guys, so let's get into this video. Just getting everything together. Using the Bright White by Ion, the cream, and then also using the 30 volume developer to go with that. We're going to use 1 part bleaching cream to 2 parts 30 volume developer. Here you'll just see me adding castor oil. I actually forgot to add some to my hair. Sometimes when I am doing lightening my hair, I will add some type of oil to my hair along with the bleaching mixture. But since it's my first time using Ion, I just decided to put it into my hair. And you always want to just shake everything up just to make sure it's mixed well before you actually use it, because it's been settling. Okay, so you just want to get that mixed up really well. I think I did go back and I didn't measure like I should have, so I think I did go back and add a little bit more developer. And then I always start in the back of my head because my front always seems to take a lot quicker. And then you'll see me here, I forgot to put something around my edges, so I'm just going back and putting some castor oil around my edges. But like I said, I usually start in the back and then I work my way to the front and the sides because my hair tends to take a lot faster or quicker on the top. And then the back is something that I'm going to cut more often, so don't want to have that sitting on top, for as long. But with my hair being so short, it doesn't take me, as long to actually apply it either. And since my hair is so short, I wasn't able to get directly to the roots. You saw me just rubbing it in. And then just to keep it moist, I'm putting this saran wrap on it. And then I let it sit for, I think, about 30 minutes. And then after I went through it a little bit, I think I let it sit again for maybe like another 5. And you'll just kind of see me here going through it. Now it's time for the shampoo. You always want to use a neutralizing shampoo. And this is a new shampoo and conditioner I have. I think it's Awapui by Paul Mitchell. So went through neutralizing shampoo first. And I actually didn't use the Paul Mitchell yet. I just did the neutralizing shampoo. And then now I'm going in with the Ion toner. And it's actually the platinum lace. It's their bright white collection, and I have the platinum lace toner. And this right here, I believe it was also, I think you can use one part toner to 1 part developer, or you could do 1 part toner to 2 parts developer. And you can use your 10 and 20, and I think this one might have even said 30 volume. but I used my 20 volume. I did not want to purchase any more volume developer, so I just used the Wella that I had at home, the 20 volume, to go with that. And then this right here, I believe I let this sit for about 30 minutes also, once I got it all applied to my hair. Okay, so still working this in through, and this is the toner. After I let this sit, I wrapped it in some saran wraps, keep that thing moist, and shampooed it with the neutralizing shampoo and the Awapui shampoo and conditioner. And this is what it came out to be. I don't know if I was too happy with it. I still did kind of see some yellow in there. And then a few days later, I went back with my the Wella T18 toner. But this right here is just the result from just using the bleaching, cream bleach, and using the toner. I did like the cream bleach, but not sure if I will use the toner again. I do have some left, so I probably will use it up, or maybe try it on something else, or a wig or something. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you again share, like, and subscribe. Make sure you guys continue to stay safe and healthy out there, and I will see you next time. You know what it is. Peace.